Today I am here to show you how to change your Instagram chat theme. Let's get started. Please open up your Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in the app, navigate to your direct message by tapping on the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the conversation that you want to customize with a new chat theme. Once you are in the conversation, tap on the person's name at the top of the screen to open up the various options. There you have it. You can see the theme option and tap on it to open the theme menu. Now, browse through your theme menu and select the theme you want to use. As you can see, there are various options available in theme menu. You can choose it according to your personal preferences. And there you have it. Get creative and have fun with your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Now go ahead and make your chat pop with your personality. Thanks for watching.